Good day, good night everyone. Mga kabangers, good evening. Meron po tayong bisita bukas, which is si Mr. Long Mejia, March 15, 2026, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Kita-kits mga kabangers. Check mic 1, 2. Yes,